Hey buddy, hi, how are you doing?
I'm good, Atisha. What about you? So
Doing
winter is there, so we all are feeling lazy. How about you?
same here, bro. So winter is also kick off in Delhi. Delhi में भी आ गई है सर्दी थोड़ी तो यार we are also feeling a little bit lazy in
Mhm.
last few days. आप बताओ
And
how's
you can
everything in
see, yeah, in Haridwar, you can see winter is, the temperature is bit quite low here, and you can see I'm wearing the jacket. So just because of here temperature. So that's all right. So आज क्या what we have for today, Atisha? What's the topic for today?
So bro आज कुछ fun करते हैं. I receive many feedbacks from many people कि you all always talk about how you can improve your lives, how you can improve your professional lives. They also want to
Mhm.
know our lives, from where we come, what kind of managers we have worked with, what kind of companies we have worked with, our experience with our past managers. So what I'm thinking
Mhm.
is आज थोड़ा discuss करते हैं our journey, what kind of managers we have worked with and how they have shaped our professional lives and lessons we have learned from them and mistakes we have learned from them, something like that.
Mhm.
क्या कहते हो bro?
Mhm. I mean that's nice, but yeah, कि if our manager will going to watch this video, so they're going to sue us. Huh? So that's the problem because
Hmm.
that's what our imagination. That's what my thought towards my manager. So, but to start, I mean, let's get started if you want. So let's get started today.
Sure,
Yeah.
bro. Sure. So tell me about your experience, buddy. You have worked in couple of companies, couple of mid-sized companies, startups. So tell me your experience. What kind of managers you have worked with, or क्या lessons आपको उनसे मिले, positive, negative. So what you have learned from your managers?
Okay. So, in general terms, if I talk about when we heard a term manager, okay, so हमें ऐसा लगता है कि manager मतलब चूतिया, okay. So when we comes into the professional life, so when you meet your manager, so हर किसी बंदे को जो भी होगा जूनियर पोजीशन पे उसे हर बंदे को लगता है ये मेरा मैनेजर चूतिया है. So that's what I also thought कि इसे ना कुछ आता है ना काम दाम आता है. He just used to poke others and just pressurize us on to the working. So this is what everyone's a general experience if I talk about in IT corporate professional. So that's what they're thought, and that's how the industry running. Okay, if I'm into some position of managerial, so I was also handling, I mean, still I'm also handling a team of, 5 to 10 or, 12 peoples. So I also know like there are a lot of team members who always used to say, ki, bhai, ye kya hai? We don't used to work. So this is the, kind of mindset we all have towards our manager. And if I talk about my past experience towards my manager, so it was, uh, totally because I worked in a startup company. So it was kind of, you can say, good and bad both. Okay, so I learned some lessons as well, and I got pissed off as well a lot of times. Okay, so in my one company, so there was one manager. Okay, so we used to report him. Okay, so he was like a kind of person who used to join office at 11:30. Okay, and our timing was like 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and he used to join the office at 11:30. So I always thought like, what is this? I mean, you are the manager, you are discipline. And he always used to call me कि you have casual behavior. Okay, so I was wondering कि भाई casual behavior तो तेरा है. इलेवन
True,
थर्टी
bro.
पे तो 11:30 पे तुम ज्वाइन करते हो मतलब. From my own experience, Atisha, I've never seen him to join an office at 10 a.m. in the morning. You know, the whole 1.5 year I have spent there, but I've never seen him to join office at 10, 10:30 or 11. He always used to join office at 11:30 and leave the office at 7 or 8. Okay. And when he comes, and he always used to call me like, Shum, you have a casual behavior. And I was like, bhai, ye kya hai? And then after then, like, if I talk about in terms of knowledge as well, so मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता उसे कुछ खास knowledge होगा, ठीक है. So he don't have much good knowledge. So what exactly he used to do? He used to pressure the people. Okay. So मतलब जो मेरा manager था, he used to just ask, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, ये कहाँ किया, वो कहाँ किया. So he always used to the whole day of his, when he started the things, he started asking, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, ये कर लिया. मैंने फिर I was thinking भाई इसे पैसे किस बात के मिलते हैं ये पूछने के क्या कि इसने क्या किया, इसने क्या किया, उसने क्या किया. So those are the things, and lot of time he got, I got lot of, heated moments with him. So when he asked me like what you have done, so I was saying, bro, kal hi to diya hai, aaj kaise complete kar dein? So then he said, no, it's how a manager work. Then one day I was, having a leave on Saturday. I mean, Saturday, Sunday weekends are off for us, okay? And I was watching cricket channel. I mean, there was a match, India versus India versus was South Africa, okay? And I was watching the match that time, and he called me at that day, and he called me around 3 4 and asking me like, Shom, have you completed that? So I was saying कि भाई क्या चल रहा है? So I said हाँ मैंने कर दिया almost. तो कह रहा है why you are, and he start pissing me off. I mean, he start shouting, yelling at me कि why this is not done. And I was like, then I got more into a hated moment, and I said bhai kato phone, because abhi I'm watching match, because I'm not going to take any kind of call right now because I'm busy in watching match. So this was the thing. I mean, this was one of the heated moment where I was thought ki bhai weekend pe bhi inka chal raha hai fun. So that's how the manager used to do. They used to poke, they used to play politics. I mean, there's a lot of managers who used to play politics. In my one company, my manager, he pretend to be always smart. So there was one project, okay, so which he knows he's going to, this project is going to be fail because we don't have that much of resources, okay? And what he was doing, he was insisting me that Shum, you take this project. And I got to know, when we don't have that resource, so you are the senior one, you can manage those things more well than me. And I was just starting my career at those days. And he was, no, Shum, you will take. And he started insisting me. So I was because I always stand with what I'm doing, okay, either whoever the manager is. Because one thing I learned in my whole life, that whatever you do, you just stand for yourself, okay, whether it's only for the right thing, okay, which you think that it's the right thing, so you need to stand. So I just went to CEO, and I just told him ki nahi nahi ye sari cheezein hain. But yeah, if so my manager resigned the company, okay. And जब मैनेजर होते भी नहीं तो भी फिर कंपनी में मजा नहीं आता, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि जो लाइक दोस काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, those kind of चीजें, जो प्रेशर होता है वो, then you cannot feel those things. So after then I was missing my manager, no doubt कि भाई वो होता तो अभी तक मेरे 2 बार सर में दर्द कर चुका होता ठीक है. So that was my experience, and I think manager teach you lot of lessons as well. They they help to push your limitation as well, because when they set some kind of target, even I never thought like I'll complete everything of my project, or those kind of things within that week, okay. So I worked till 2 a.m 3 a.m on that project. So just this is what exactly I'm pushing my limitation just because of my manager. So these are some good side as well, some bad side as well. लेकिन ये है कि मैनेजर इज वन ऑफ द गुड थिंग इन द प्रोफेशनल्स, जिन्हें लोग कहते हैं हाँ, फिर भी चाहे सिखाए ना सिखाए लेकिन गाली जरूर देते हैं लोग आफ्टर कमिंग बैक साइड ऑफ द थिंग. सो आई मीन that was my experience, I mean, with my manager, and it was quite conflicted. It was quite pissing off, and a lot of things with my manager has gone. So that was a thing. And how about you, Atisha? I think you also been 3-4 years from corporate journey, and from your perspective, how was your experience with your manager? How you felt, how you think about the manager, who are exactly the managers are? And then finally we will discuss what exactly the manager should be, okay, what exactly their personality will be. But as of now, I just want to understand from your side, like what do you think about the manager, and when you heard a term manager in your mind? Yeah.
So bro, on the contrary, my experience with my managers were fairly good. So they were all my managers with I have worked in the past, I'm currently working, they're all very supportive of my work. They have always tried to push me out of my comfort zone by forcing me to do this, get into this technology, learn this stuff. So I go beyond my current scope of work. I learn new things. So luckily or fortunately, I've been with good managers who have pushed me to the limits and really helped me become a better version of myself. But sometimes when you're working and when you are working with managers, uh, sometimes managers can take you to the edge of your your to the edge of your seat. They can push you to do things on the very last minute. uh, you will be held on some very tight deadline. So sometimes it happens, bro. They can really push you to the very extreme. But there also sometimes that also comes from their managers. That is why they have to force us to complete certain things in a very short span of time. So that is a hierarchy, which hierarchy of authority which is followed. So a pushback from his manager is translated to us. So I believe that is also justified, because we work in an environment which is 24/7. Every day something new is happening. World is changing at a very fast pace. So that is the push, that is the 21st century for you, for us. So yeah, luckily, to answer your question, I'm fortunate to work with good managers, and they've really brought the best version of myself.
Ah, that's nice to hear. And one more story I tell you. Okay, so what happened? It was 11 a.m. meeting we had related to one of our project. Okay, so we all were sitting in a conference room, and my manager came in. Okay, and he started asking the question to each of us like updates. Okay, and then we all missed the weekly report. Okay, just because of some kind of celebration was there. Okay, celebration in terms of holidays, like it was some Diwali festival was going on. Okay, so we all missed just because of the last day, and we haven't sent the weekly report to our client. Okay, and I was just uh, I was sitting in the meeting, and I was just watching the face of my manager. Okay, so it was literally look like कि भाई बिल्कुल नहा के नहीं आया है, ठीक है. So ऐसा it seems like he didn't took a bath today. Okay, and his hairs are like this way. Okay, and there was some some kind of things are there as well in the eyes as well, and the bad clothes. And I was checking, okay, ठीक है, चल रहा है. And then he start shouting and everyone, "Hi, why you haven't completed all your reports? This is not to be done. We needs to be, and I'll mark absent for today." And I was thinking, अरे ये बंदा इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लाता कहाँ से है कि मतलब खुद कुछ नहीं है, मतलब प्रिपेयर भी नहीं हो पाया, ठीक है, एंड नहा के भी नहीं आया है, 11:30 बजे आया है, एंड इतना कॉन्फिडेंस कि लोगों को कह रहा है आज की छुट्टी लगा देंगे. To all the managers, like we all there working as a project coordinator.
Hmm.
So there were 5 to 6 team of project coordinators sitting in the conference room, and I was thinking, I'll mark absent for today. And I was, my God, that's kind of confidence we need in our life. कि कुछ करो ना करो, लेकिन हाँ confidence पूरा हो. So that was one of the funny story, which I thought, that's all the things which resolved in my mind, because I found those kind of manager, in my interval of time. So yeah, so that was one of the funny thing. So yeah, over to
So,
you.
bro, if we
Any
talk
other thing?
about the qualities, what qualities you think, maybe two, three qualities you think should be in an ideal manager? So, what do you think?
I think the people has taken the managerial position in different way in today's time. Okay, because have you heard about Machiavelli?
I'm not familiar with the term. If you can elaborate a bit for me and for
Okay,
the
so
audience.
there's one guy who's Machiavelli, who's one of the king. Okay, in very late period of time. I think it's from Germany or wherever. Okay, so what his belief is all about, leadership is all about. His belief is that leadership is all about to make a fear between your employees. Okay, that's what his thoughts on leadership. Okay, so that's why, like a lot of in our corporate as well, people used to bring the fear in their employees कि ये नहीं किया तो छुट्टी लगा देंगे, ये कर दिया तो वो कर देंगे. So there are a lot of things which which is happening in corporate. Okay, but I think leadership is all about uh, moreover a motivation. Okay, leadership role is all about motivation. Leadership is all about bringing a trust, a loyalty. Okay, and show some kind of vision to their employees. Okay, so that they also get motivated to work something. As we have seen, we know about Richard Branson. Okay, so who's the owner of Virgin Atlantica. Okay, so he written one book also. Okay, so when he was traveling, so he was not any good entrepreneur. It's all about his motive, is all about his employees. The more you make your employees happy, the more your company will grow. So it's all about, the thing is all about your employer. But today's time, the people are thinking like how much pressure you can create, and pressure and the, fear is one of the thing which can, bring your people to get more result. But that is totally, I think that is totally incorrect. What my thought on leadership is all about, and how I handle my team, is all about like there's a push and pull factor always. Okay, so you just need to be, when there is a time where you think that this is wrong, so you should say. Otherwise you don't need to, pretend कि आप manager हो and just sit like this way and show करना कि नहीं बहुत professional. So you should be, very calm and very friendly towards your, employees, and ask him like how the things are going on. And this way, you can motivate and show them vision, what exactly your vision is, so that they can motivate and they can start working on those kind of things. So that's what my thought, and that's what I think a good leader should be. He should show some kind of vision to their employees. He can motivate their employees. And yeah, like he always, stand towards their employees. There is something right and wrong, so he can easily justify it. Okay, and don't always play those kind of politics and other kind of things. Okay, and that's what, I respect those kind of people even. So that's what my all thought of leadership. Yeah.
Bro, if I have to add on two other qualities, so according to me, a leader should be empathetic. Okay, and a leader should be leader should promote innovation, because I have seen many times in many organizations, especially in India, leaders don't push their subordinates, their reportees to be innovative. They want things to be done in a certain fashion, in a uh, in a certain fashion and in a well-defined fashion and already proven method. So they don't want people to be innovative enough. So I believe a manager's job is to encourage innovation, encourage creativity, and also be empathetic about other people, their subordinates, so their customers, and all the employees. So these two qualities I believe are very, very important in a manager. Be empathetic and drive innovation across the organization. But yeah, you have covered
Yeah,
very
that's
good points about how a function manager should function. So I believe all the listeners who are listening this podcast today, they will certainly get some inputs on choosing a manager, choosing an organization, because I believe go with the organization who has a better manager instead of going with the organization which pays you more. Because trust me, uh, although if you are paid less, you will enjoy your work and you will learn more, and you will be be more happy rather joining an organization which pays you more but manager is not that much good.
exactly, exactly. So that's why, one of our greatest, I mean, entrepreneur, if we talk about Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. Okay, we all know about his story. So in his always, in his if you talk about in his video, he always used to suggest that when you are, 20 to 30 years of old, you just don't need to go in a which company you choose. Okay, you need to follow which boss you are following. Okay, because a good leader, a good boss can teach you a good lessons of life, like how you can be productive, how you can be encouragement. He will encourage you, he will show you the vision. Okay, he will give you time to get more innovative. Okay, so that's what all about, leadership. It's not all about to, show fear and bring your, resilience seat on that side. So it's all about like how you are influencing the people, right? And I tell you one story, like one of the time, one of, member in my team only, they asked me like, I mean, he was asking me like, I need a half day leave, and because it was some, urgent project there, and I have a lot of work to do. And in past also he has taken already a leave. So I asked why you need leave. So he told me, very frankly, that I need a leave just because today is my friend's birthday, and they were just pass out from college from this year only. So asked me very gently, sir, today is my friend birthday and I haven't met with her, so I just want to meet her. So I said, okay, that's fine, I'm in, and you can go. So it was like a time of like 3 or 4 a.m., 4 p.m. Sorry. So they just, got signed out. Okay. So I said, that's fine. So this is how, you just bring that kind of, thing. And what happened about this thing? Okay. From this story, what happened next day, there was a Saturday. Okay, the same guy worked for full day on the same project because he know about the priority of the project, and he told me, "Sir, you don't need to concern. I'll complete all my work." So this is how, this is how you need to understand. This is how you need to show empathy, and you need to understand their feeling as well of your team members, right? And that's how they will surprise you with their effort. So that's what all my thought, and that's an example that's which was with me and my in my previous organization, where I was handling a team of 5 to 10 team members. So so that's an example, and you can see like that same guy has worked for complete 8 hours on the weekend, on Saturday. He has taken time just because of that empathy you have showed to him of 3 4 hours. So that's how I think a leader should behave, and that's how we need a leader who can show vision, not more onto politics, who can lead the team, who can motivate their people, and who will be happy with their team efforts. Okay, who don't take all kind of credibility to himself, they can pass to team members. So that's what all my thought. So
That is
yeah.
amazing, bro. That is really amazing. I'm very sure to all the listeners who are listening to this podcast, they will get a clear understanding why they should choose a boss rather than choosing an organization, especially when they're their early 20s or just starting with their careers. So thank you so much, bro, for such an insightful conversation. All the stories you shared were really amazing as well as humorous.
And also, please don't mess with your,
Right.
managers, because whatever they are saying, ठीक है भाई सुन लो आराम से, because that is not your college. Okay, so that is
Right.
something called corporate professional. नहीं तो आपकी sandwich leave लग जाएगी. If then don't say कि ये हो गया वो हो गया, because they have authority, and they can mark an absent of yours. They can do anything. So ठीक है, whenever you are right at some place, just stand for yourself. And when you think no, you have some kind of you did some kind of misunderstanding, and there was some kind of uh, thing which has wrong from your side, so just apologies are simple, because don't need to be always be in a high attitude because you need to be show some kind of gratitude as well when you're working. So that's all, I guess. Aaj ki bahut zyada gyan ho gaya, and that was some
Hmm.
kind of story passed way back, and that's how my experience with my all managers. So I think it pretty well to all the listeners who is just listening. So बच के रहो, enjoy करो, और ज़्यादा गालियाँ मत दो अपने managers को, ठीक है? And that's what I would say. Yeah. Any other thing, Atish?
That is all, bro. You have explained so many things, shared so many stories, and guys, it was a Hatke video, comparatively different from the kind of videos which we usually post in a week. So I'm
Hmm.
sure you will enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed recording this, and we will be back with another video next week, guys. Stay tuned and
Yeah.
stay safe. Thank you so much for watching
And
this.
be awesome. Bye bye.